One of the most common questions we receive is, can I work part-time while studying in Malaysia? The answer is yes. You can legally work part-time in Malaysia, but there are certain regulations for you to take note of. Firstly, students are allowed to work up to 20 hours per week to ensure that the work does not negatively affect their study commitments. Next, international students are allowed to work in a variety of workplaces that include restaurants, petrol kiosks, mini markets, and hotels, but they are prohibited from working as a cashier, singer, masseur, musician, guest relations officer, or being involved in any activity deemed to be immoral. International students are also required to seek approval from Malaysia's immigration department before they can begin their part-time work. Working without approval can result in fines, detention, or even visa cancellation. To apply, you must first obtain an offer letter from your prospective employer stating the salary, working hours, and position. Next, approach your school to seek their endorsement and liaise with them to submit the application. Thereafter, you can expect to be interviewed by the immigration department before receiving the results of your application. Currently, part-time wages in big cities typically range from 12 to 15 Malaysian ringgit per hour. However, there are also more lucrative part-time jobs such as being a private tutor, a photographer, or a freelancer that can pay you a lot more. While this income is not expected to be able to cover your tuition fees or accommodation expenses entirely, it can still serve as a supplement to support your daily living expenses while being in a foreign land. Engaging in part-time work is also a great opportunity to gain valuable work experience, forge new friendships, and better integrate into the new environment. Students can either seek opportunities independently or approach the student unions at their respective schools for assistance. In addition, you can find part-time job opportunities on websites such as Indeed, JobStreet, and Grab Jobs. If you want to know more about studying and living in Malaysia, do like and follow us and sign up for a free consultation via the link on our profile.